In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam please check your password and account name, even if you have the correct password. Now to do this, it's probably because you forgot your account name. So what we can do to find this is we wanna search for Steam, right click, open file location, then right click and open file location again. And in here, we'll be able to find our Steam folder. Then what we wanna do is we wanna find the config folder. Find config.vdf, right click, open with, and choose the notepad. Now once this is open, what you want to do is you want to press Ctrl F, and this little box will come up, and search for account. Press find next, and it will show you the accounts. Now if I scroll down a little bit, all my accounts that I have logged in will show, but I'm not going to show you guys my usernames, but under right here, my account names will be right there. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.